You ever been in a parking lot and someone smashed off your side mirror panel? Seems to happen a lot these days. Here's a BMW X5 missing its outer mirror driver side panel. This is a ridiculously easy fix, so I'll keep it short. First, you get a replacement panel online, should be cheap. Then identify where the holes are for the tabs. There's literally no prep for this job. You just got to keep pushing it and wiggling it around on there until the tabs align. You'll hear a click just like this when the tabs are in the holes. I'm just giving it a few good yanks to make sure it's really in place and won't go flying off. And that's it. The mirror looks back to normal again. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.